Ready to turn your WordPress website into a revenue-generating machine? Let's dive into integrating Stripe for seamless and secure online payments. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, then click on Add New in the search bar. Type Stripe Payment Plugin. Look for a reputable plugin. I recommend one with high ratings and lots of active installs. Click Install Now and then Activate. Alright, now, go to the plugin settings page. You'll need your Stripe API keys to get these. Log into your Stripe account, go to Developers. Then API keys. You'll find your publishable key and secret key. Copy these keys and paste them into the corresponding fields in your WordPress plugin settings. Remember to save your changes. Next, let's add Stripe to your products. In your WordPress editor, go to the product or service page. You want to enable payments. For most Stripe plugins offer a simple shortcode or block that you can insert directly into the page. At the shortcode, configure the product details, price and description within the plugin settings, and position the payment button where it makes the most sense on your page. Finally, test everything thoroughly. Use Stripe's test mode with test credit card numbers to make sure payments are processing correctly and that your customers are redirected to a thank you or confirmation page after a successful transaction. Remember to switch back to live mode once you're confident that everything is working smoothly, and just like that, you've successfully integrated Stripe into your WordPress website. Happy selling!